we got our second unwrapping video. Let's see what's in our new package. Ooh, pretty. It is the new Sweet Valley sign to put on the outside of the building. We'll edit this part out. I want to give a special thanks to Jay Moore at Wrap House Graphics for making us a really beautiful sign here. There's our new sign. Our next project is to install the sign. So, but once I got the hang of it, it went pretty good. I'm going to put a couple 3 in the bottom and maybe one more in the middle, and we're going to call this done. I'm going into metal roofing, so I just need to get through the middle, and then you got this little burr. You just got to kind of take something and knock it loose with. Put a dab of silicone on the standoff. I've been doing this with the sign in place as I move around. Find that pilot hole. Which is right there. And it's nice and snug. Put over, tighten and strip it out. These standoffs come with 2 washers, one for the back side, one for the front. Get all your little burrs and crap moved out of the way. Put your standoffs on. Run the screw through. And I'm just putting them in snug, that way I can move it around a little bit. And we're gonna move on to the next one. So again, using a countersink drill bit big enough for the standoff pieces to fit. You got to be able to get this part here in the hole through your material. Got the little washer on the back side, help keep things sealed up. And then I just thread that guy on. That's all there is to it. I was able to take the top loose and just reach back in there, reach down and set the last screw right in the middle of the sign. Okay, the new sign is up and it looks really nice. And stay tuned for grand opening information, which should be coming up here shortly. So, all right, thanks for watching.